Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going to go for a put here at 31.50. All right, let's go to 29.50 now. I'm doing options, so if you don't know what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, or option guide, and I will send you a link to a free online guide called The Big Basics of Options. It'll make all this make more sense to you. Don't be scared. I know some people, options are so complicated. And yes, they can be made complicated, but they don't need to be. And I definitely take the more simplified approach to them. So if you want to better understand, you can just let me know in the comment section, and I will send you a link to that free video. All right. So I'm at 29.50 right now, so I need the price to come up a bit more. I will go ahead and pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I'm at 29.50 as I said. We're getting a little bit more movement. Needs to come up a bit more. Actually, I think I can get 29.10. Let's see it come up. All right, I will pause. I'm at 28.70 now. Okay, in at 28.70. And out for a quick $50 move. Let's go to 27.70 now. And I'll start that process over again. So nice quick $50 move there. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 29.70. All right, let's go to 28.70 now. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at, got filled at 27.50. And out, I don't even know what happened there. So I'm in and out. I think I captured that all on video. But there was this spike, got filled. Whoops. I'll pause for a second. So I got filled at 27.70, and then as soon as I could click to get out, I was already out for an $80 move in my favor. So all happened in the blink of an eye with that big move up. Like I said, I think I got it all on video. I hope I did. But it literally all happened so fast that I'm not quite sure. But I think I got it. If I didn't, I apologize. But yeah, so that's what happened there. If you blinked, you certainly missed that one. But $80 in literally less than a second. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, going to try to pick up a put here at 32.50. In at 32.50. I'm going to try to pick up one here at 29. Whoops. 29, there we go. Got that. Let's see if we can get a bit of a pullback here. And out. So what was that, $50, I think? What was I up? I was up 130, I think. So $50. So clearly not the greatest first entry point. But with that being said, that is the power of using and starting with one contract. So I understand the critique, Clay, you're never going to really make that much money with one contract. Fair point. But the trade-off to that is it gives myself massive flexibility. So not a great first entry point, but because I had flexibility, I just added in another contract. So it's not like I added in another 10 contracts or anything crazy. Just I literally added in one more contract and I was still able to, have a winning trade there. So market is filled with give and takes. And that was a classic example of one right there with, yes, one contract initially. It's not like I'm going to walk away with thousands of dollar gains. But at the same time, I like the flexibility that it gives. I'm not saying one way is right or the other. That's just an example of you got to figure out what works for you in the market. What do you weigh more? Do you want to start off with 2 or 3 contracts? Or in other words, whatever you're trading, do you want to start off with a bigger size and lose flexibility? Or do you want to start with smaller size and have some flexibility? But all right, like I said, pretty sure I was up one. I guess I could do the math real quick here, couldn't I? Yeah, 50. And then I made 80 on that one. Yeah, 50 plus 80. Yeah, or was I up 110? No, I was up 130. Yeah, 50 plus 80. Yeah, that's 130 plus, and now I'm up 180. So it was a $50 trade. Okay. So, all right. So up 180 now. And if this wants to come up some more, I will be ready for potentially another put. I will go ahead and pause. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's an hour into the day. Market's been open 1 hour. So yeah, 1 hour, working from home, $180. I'll take that. I'm not a greedy savage. I'm not aware of many places in the world where you can work from the comfort of your home and in an hour make $180 for just pressing some buttons. So now let me be very clear. Trading is difficult. It's challenging, and don't think that it happens overnight. So that's not my claim. My claim is only that the possibilities are great. And there's a possibility that, for me at least, I look at $180 in an hour working from home as really, really good. But maybe you don't think that's worth your time. And if it's not worth your time, then good job for you. I'm curious, what do you do for a living where you would say, nah, $180 as a side hustle, working from home for an hour, nah, not worth my time. Like, again, good job. But what do you do for a living where $180 not worth your time? But for me, it is worth my time as a side hustle. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So thank you for hanging out. And again, if you want to learn more about options and the basics of them, let me know in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to link you to that guide. So take care. If you enjoy these live trade videos, do 2 things for me. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below. They help out and they communicate to me that you enjoy. As long as I know you are enjoying, I'll continue to put the time and effort to get this content out to you. So everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.